A woman in Kherson was making porridge for her granddaughter when she heard a low hum coming from outside. Her first reaction was to step to the window. She pulled back the curtain, saw a small black drone hovering 15 meters away, and stared right at it. 4 seconds later, she jumped back. Within 20 seconds, she had her granddaughter in the hallway. They survived. The neighbor 1 floor below heard the exact same hum and walked to her exact same window, but she lingered for 10 seconds longer. She didn't make it. When we hear a threat, our deepest human instinct is to move toward the noise and gather information. In modern warfare, that instinct is a liability. Approaching an illuminated window gives a drone operator absolute confirmation of a human target. Surviving a drone hovering outside your apartment is not a matter of luck. It depends entirely on executing 7 specific, ordered actions in the first 90 seconds after you hear the hum. Step 1. Seconds 1 through 5. Freeze immediately. Suppress the urge to run, shout, or check the window. Just stop where you are and hold perfectly still. Reconnaissance drones rely on thermal imaging and motion sensors. A running person generates excess heat, creating a stark contrast against the background environment. By standing completely still, your thermal signature blends into the ambient temperature of the room. Step 2. Seconds 5 through 15. Break your stillness and move, but only away from the windows. Stay low to the ground and move quickly toward the interior of your home. Look at this standard apartment floor plan. Your destination must follow the rule of 2 walls. This means putting at least 2 structural barriers between you and the street, which usually leaves you in an interior hallway or a windowless bathroom. The first wall is your exterior barrier. The second wall must be solid concrete or brick. Drywall partitions will not stop a thermal scan, but a standard 12 to 16 centimeter concrete interior panel will block it completely. By anchoring yourself behind that second solid wall, you take your standard living space and convert it into an optical and thermal blind spot. Step 3. Seconds 15 through 30. Now that you are in the safe zone, retrieve the most vulnerable members of your household, children, the elderly, and pets, and pull them into the corridor with you. You need a pre-established code phrase to do this. 3 simple words like, everyone to the hallway. No explanations, no debates. A drill-tested command bypasses panic and forces immediate compliance. Step 4. Seconds 30 through 40. You must eliminate all localized heat signatures in your home. Quickly turn off the gas stove, the electric heater, the oven, and the kettle. On a thermal map, an active burner or a pot of boiling water shines right through the exterior walls. The moment the appliance is turned off, that glaring hotspot vanishes. If you can reach a window without standing up in full view, drop a heavy winter blanket over the glass. The thick fabric further degrades any residual heat leaking outside. By methodically suppressing these internal heat sources, your family effectively erases your apartment from a drone's targeting interface. Step 5. Seconds 40 through 60. Execute a total optical and audio blackout. Any light source in a dark building is an immediate signal of occupation. Do not waste time fumbling for individual lamp switches. Go straight to the main electrical breaker and kill the power to the entire apartment with a single lever. Immediately after, switch every mobile phone to airplane mode. A sudden ringtone, or even the heavy vibration of a phone against a hard table, acts as an acoustic beacon. Step 6. Seconds 60 through 80. Grab your pre-packed emergency bag and put on sturdy outdoor footwear. You need shoes that can handle shattered glass and wet asphalt. This bag should already be sitting by the door. Inside, you need waterproof bags for documents, cash, a fully charged power bank, a flashlight, water, and any daily prescription medications. Step 7. Seconds 80 to 90. Stand in absolute silence in your safe zone. Close your eyes and listen to track the pitch of the drone's hum. Do not leave the safe zone until a full 5 minutes have passed since the sound faded. If the building takes a direct hit, evacuate immediately, but only use the stairs. A power outage will trap you in an elevator. By completing these 7 steps within the 90-second window, you strip away the optical, audio, and thermal data the drone needs to confirm you are inside. It has to happen in one fluid sequence. Freeze, move, gather, cool down, blackout, Pack the bag. Wait. When an active threat is outside your window, the adrenaline spike shuts down higher-level cognitive thought. You cannot figure this out on the fly. The only thing that works in a crisis is pre-practiced muscle memory. Tonight, gather your household, say your code phrase, and run this drill with a stopwatch. Practice routing from the kitchen, the bedrooms, and the living room into the central hallway until everyone is secure in under 90 seconds. Surviving in a combat zone is the direct result of strict discipline, deliberate preparation, and automated action. Build the protocol, practice the drill, save your family.